Hello and welcome to Fugo Channels. Think of channels like a virtual TV screen that you can watch in a browser tab or embed into websites or co-working tools such as Notion, Confluence or Slack. Channels are a great way to create an internal content hub for your organisation, especially if you've got teams distributed between their homes and the office and you want to keep everybody on the same pulse. They function as screens, serving as another place to publish any of your Fugo content. So let's set one up together. I'm going to start by clicking Create Channel and giving it a name, something relevant and easy that tells me who or what this channel is for. To the left, you'll see my channel's link. This is the URL where my channel content will live. Clicking this link will open my channel in a new browser tab to the right. Next to my URL, you will see the buttons for copying and sharing my link. You can also see the activity status, as well as how many people are watching my channel. Let's add some content. I'm going to click Add Playlist and choose one of my existing content playlists. If you haven't made a playlist yet, you'll see the option to create a playlist now. Now that I've published my playlist to my channel, I'm ready to share it. I can do that in a couple of ways. First, I can copy the link and give it internally to my team. Or I can hit the share button where I'll have options to email the channel URL out to my team and share it via social media. I can also copy the embed code and paste it into a tool that supports iframe players, like I've done here with Notion. And voila, my channel is live. As you can see, this is a pretty cool way to share your Fugo content. Go ahead and try it for yourself. If you run into any issues, just drop us a line at priority@fugo.ai.